I think when people think dance, they think you're dancing and you're moving constantly. Your body is constantly moving. There's no stopping, right? But dance can be anything and it can be everything. My name is Valerie Branch, and I am a dance teaching artist fellow with Young Audiences of Maryland. In our residency with Belle Grove Elementary, I worked with 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. We worked a lot with our bodies, with frozen poses and shapes, and learning how to make choices with a partner and by yourself.
I'm Mark McAlpin. I'm the principal here at Belle Grove Elementary School. It's really cool to see the kids taking ownership and being creative in what they're doing. They talked about being free, making some of their own decisions on some things that they want to do, being creative, and then interacting with the arts that they never thought that they would be interacting with.
My name is Betsy Brining. I teach a class called Arts and Humanities. Part of our idea in this residency was to connect some writing with dance, and so we had the kids do something called an I am poem, where they're simply using very basic statements and talking about themselves using adjectives to describe and look at their character traits, and then they were able to use those to choreograph their dance to. So if they said that they were creative, they would strike a pose that to them meant creative. If they were athletic, they would demonstrate a sports-like pose to make themselves look that way, and then they had to interconnect those characteristics. It was a great confidence booster for them, a great part of their self-esteem, and I am poems are usually pretty revealing about the kids.
One of their connections was looking at somebody else's life from a different point of view. So we did a choreographic strategy where they were showing their choreography once, and then the class had to look at the choreography and make it their own. It was amazing to see what they were able to produce when we were clear with the expectations.
Whenever our students can learn a way to communicate with their bodies in a positive way, that's a really big plus for us. And I saw engagement from the kids that don't normally engage as much. You know, if they're having to write or they're having to do classic academic responses, the ability to communicate in yet another language, in this case dance, really makes a difference for them.
It's really cool to see the relationships that have happened, but then also the relationships within the arts.